In the pursuit of respect, understanding, and personal growth, the teachings of Buddhism offer profound insights that can transform lives. Buddhism, with its emphasis on compassion, mindfulness, and ethical conduct, provides a guiding light for navigating the complexities of human relationships. In a world filled with diverse ideologies and belief systems, Buddhism stands out as a philosophy that not only provides spiritual guidance, but also imparts practical wisdom for living a meaningful and respectful life. In this video, we delve into key principles of Buddhism, unraveling the wisdom that fosters respect and positive connections with others. Through the lens of these teachings, we will uncover how embodying certain attitudes and behaviors can lead to the respect we seek. Apologize for mistakes. Embrace your authentic self. In the journey of self-improvement, humility plays a pivotal role. Buddhism teaches us the importance of acknowledging our mistakes without letting them define us. Apologizing for our errors is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it showcases our strength and willingness to grow. True respect is earned when we can recognize our faults, learn from them, and continue our journey with newfound wisdom. Buddhism teaches us the importance of self-awareness and acceptance. One powerful aspect of this is the idea of apologizing for our mistakes while staying true to our authentic selves. Instead of apologizing for who we are or our accomplishments, we learn to acknowledge our errors and grow from them. This vulnerability cultivates humility, a trait that garners genuine respect from others. Admitting mistakes is not a sign of weakness, but a manifestation of strength. By embracing our imperfections, we create an environment that encourages others to do the same. In this way, we build connections founded on authenticity and mutual understanding. Audacity to point out issues, diligence to propose solutions. In a world driven by innovation and progress, Buddhism encourages us to be fearless in addressing issues. Respect is often garnered by those who have the courage to speak up when something is amiss. However, it doesn't stop there. Buddhism urges us to couple audacity with diligence, offering constructive solutions. By being proactive in problem solving, we not only earn the respect of our peers, but also contribute positively to our surroundings. Respect is not just about receiving praise, it's also about having the courage to speak up when something is amiss. Buddhism encourages us to be audacious in pointing out what's not working, but it also emphasizes the importance of diligence in proposing constructive solutions. By offering thoughtful suggestions for improvement, we demonstrate not only our awareness of problems, but also our commitment to positive change. This combination of audacity and diligence earns the respect of others, positioning us as individuals who are not only observant but proactive in making the world around us better. True respect often emerges from the courage to confront challenges and the diligence to find constructive solutions. Buddhism encourages us to be audacious in pointing out what's not working, all the while maintaining a commitment to offering viable methods for improvement. This principle is about being a proactive force for positive change. When we take responsibility for identifying problems and proposing solutions, we become catalysts for progress. Others begin to respect us not only for our keen observation, but for our unwavering dedication to making things better. Treat others as they want to be treated. One of the fundamental principles in Buddhism is compassion, and respecting others begins with understanding and honoring their unique perspectives and needs. The Golden Rule, often associated with various philosophies, is given a nuanced twist in Buddhist teachings. Treat others the way they want to be treated. To earn respect, it is essential to go beyond our own preferences and actively listen to the needs and desires of others. This empathetic approach fosters deep connections and creates a harmonious environment where mutual respect can flourish. By practicing this principle, we not only elevate our own character, but also contribute to the well-being of the collective. The Golden Rule, treat others as you want to be treated, takes on a nuanced form in Buddhism. The emphasis shifts to treating others the way they want to be treated. This requires empathy and a deep understanding of the diverse needs and perspectives of those around us. Respecting others means acknowledging and valuing their unique preferences, communication styles, and boundaries. By tailoring our interactions to meet their needs, we cultivate an environment of mutual respect and understanding. Curiosity and openness. Asking questions and embracing new ideas. One of the pillars of wisdom in Buddhism is the cultivation of a curious and open mind. Respect is often bestowed upon those who seek to understand, rather than those who claim to know. By asking questions and embracing new ideas, we not only expand our own horizons, but also demonstrate to others that we value their insights, creating a foundation of respect built on intellectual exchange. In the journey toward earning respect, curiosity becomes a powerful tool. Buddhism teaches us the value of asking questions and remaining open to new ideas. This mindset not only promotes a continual quest for knowledge, but also demonstrates humility in acknowledging that there is always more to learn. Respect is often intertwined with a willingness to expand one's understanding. By asking questions and embracing new perspectives, we signal to others that we value their insights. This open-minded approach fosters a culture of mutual respect and creates a space where diverse ideas can coexist and thrive. Respect flourishes in an atmosphere of curiosity and openness. Buddhism encourages us to ask more questions, fostering a genuine interest in others and their experiences. By remaining open to new ideas, we expand our perspectives and create a space for diverse opinions. In the pursuit of respect, it's essential to recognize that wisdom can be found in unexpected places. Embracing the unfamiliar allows us to learn and grow, establishing a reputation for intellectual humility and openness to change. Make your needs a priority. Navigate conflict with courage. Respect for oneself is foundational to earning respect from others. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of recognizing and addressing our own needs. This doesn't mean prioritizing selfish desires, but rather understanding and meeting our genuine needs for well-being. Conflict is an inevitable part of human interaction, and Buddhism provides valuable insights on facing it with grace. To earn respect, it is crucial to deal with conflict openly and constructively. Avoiding discomfort may offer temporary relief, but facing conflicts head-on builds resilience and demonstrates integrity, garnering respect from others. Buddhism teaches us the importance of self-care and assertiveness. Making your needs a priority is not a selfish act. It's a prerequisite for maintaining emotional well-being. By understanding and addressing our own needs, we become better equipped to navigate conflicts, even when it's uncomfortable. Respect emerges when others witness our commitment to self-improvement and our ability to handle difficult situations with grace. This chapter explores the delicate balance between assertiveness and empathy, demonstrating how these qualities contribute to building respectful relationships. Courage to ask for help, inviting critique. Acknowledging our limitations and seeking help when needed is a sign of strength, not weakness. In a society that often glorifies self-sufficiency, Buddhism teaches us the strength in vulnerability. By seeking help and inviting constructive criticism, we not only enhance our personal growth, but also gain the respect of those around us. True courage lies not just in facing challenges alone, but in recognizing the power of collaboration and improvement through feedback. Buddhism encourages us to be courageous enough to ask for assistance and to invite constructive criticism from others. Respect is often earned through vulnerability. By demonstrating a willingness to learn and grow, we invite others to contribute to our personal development. This chapter explores the transformative power of humility and the respect that comes from a genuine desire for continuous improvement. Do the right thing, regardless of the cost. Respect is often deeply tied to our moral character. Buddhism teaches us to cultivate a strong moral compass and to do the right thing, even when it comes at a personal cost. By making ethical choices and standing up for what is just, we earn the respect of those around us. Our integrity becomes a guiding light, showcasing our commitment to principles that transcend personal gain. Integrity lies at the heart of Buddhism. Doing the right thing, even when it comes at a personal cost, is a cornerstone of ethical conduct. The concept of moral courage and how it earns the admiration and respect of those around us. Respect is not only about how we treat others, but also about the principles we uphold. When we prioritize ethical behavior, even in challenging situations, we establish a reputation for unwavering integrity, earning the respect of our peers and communities. In the pursuit of respect, Buddhism challenges us to uphold our principles even in the face of adversity. This might involve making sacrifices or facing difficult consequences, but the long-term gain in self-respect and the respect of others is immeasurable. Doing the right thing, regardless of the cost, becomes a beacon that guides others and earns their admiration. Helping others unconditionally, generosity and compassion are fundamental aspects of Buddhism. By cultivating a selfless attitude, we create a ripple effect of kindness and build connections based on mutual support and respect. Respect grows when others witness our genuine desire to contribute to the well-being of those around us. The teachings of Buddhism related to altruism and the profound impact it has on our relationships. By actively seeking opportunities to assist others, we demonstrate a commitment to the well-being of the community. This selfless approach fosters a sense of interconnectedness and, in turn, garners respect from those who witness the impact of our benevolent actions. Striving for continuous improvement. Buddhism encourages a mindset of constant learning and growth. Respect is not a static achievement but an ongoing process. The concept of striving to do better in all aspects of life, fostering an environment of continuous improvement. When others see our commitment to personal and professional development, respect naturally follows. This chapter provides practical insights into how the pursuit of excellence contributes to building a positive reputation and garnering the admiration of others. Embracing vulnerability. Admitting to mistakes. Admitting mistakes is a fundamental aspect of humility, a core value in Buddhism. To earn respect, it is essential to acknowledge when we fall short and take responsibility for our actions. This act of humility not only fosters personal growth, but also builds trust and credibility with others. To err is human, and Buddhism recognizes the transformative power of acknowledging our mistakes. Respect is often born out of humility. When we admit to our mistakes, we demonstrate authenticity and a commitment to self-improvement. This chapter delves into the teachings of Buddhism on self-reflection and the respect that emerges from a genuine willingness to learn from our experiences. See the good in everything and everyone. The practice of mindfulness is a key element of Buddhist teachings, and seeing the good in everything and everyone is a natural extension of this philosophy. To earn respect, it is crucial to cultivate a positive outlook that goes beyond surface judgments. By recognizing the inherent goodness in people and situations, we create an atmosphere of optimism and understanding. This perspective not only elevates our own well-being, but also earns respect from others who are drawn to the warmth and positivity we radiate. In the journey towards earning respect, the teachings of Buddhism serve as a profound and practical guide. By embracing principles such as humility, compassion, integrity, and continuous improvement, we not only transform our own lives, but also influence the way others perceive and respect us. Buddhism reminds us that respect is not a fleeting accolade, but a reflection of the values we embody and the positive impact we have on the world. As we integrate these teachings into our daily lives, we pave the way for a more respectful, harmonious, and fulfilling existence, both for ourselves and those we interact with. May the wisdom of Buddhism inspire us to embark on this transformative journey towards earning the respect we seek and, in turn, becoming agents of positive change in the world.